Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by choosing 5-10 primary and long-tail keywords that match user intent. This directs everything. Once done, pick a single content format, listicle or how-to works best for quick wins, and outline 3-5 headings tied to those keywords. Make sure to set a short timeline, 48-72 hours for the first draft and 7 days to publish. You'll see why speed matters. It forces focus and preserves topical relevance, which helps search engines rank your content faster. You now write 801, 200 focused words. Use your primary keyword in the intro, in at least one H2, and within the first 100 words. While drafting, vary phrasing to capture long-tail variants. Then optimize on page. Craft a 50-60 character title and a 120-155 character description that includes the keyword. Once that's done, add internal links to 2 related pages and 1 authoritative external link. These connections improve crawlability and user trust. You're ready to publish. Implement structured data like article or FAQ schema so search engines understand your content. Once live, promote aggressively. Schedule 3 social posts, send 1 email blast, and share in 2 niche forums or groups to generate initial signals. Then monitor performance. Use Google Search Console to confirm indexing and watch for 4XX or 5XX errors. If rankings stall, check for thin content or slow pages, fix those issues, and rerun the promotion cycle.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.